Yeah. So it's Unit 9, page 57. We are on the one that got away. What went away or what got away? Now, what can go away? Anything can go away that is alive, right? So, this story is about something, some children were supposed to bring something very interesting to class to show the teacher and talk about it. And the teacher had given them a task saying that you have to bring something very, interesting and show it to me, live, interesting thing that, and you share your ideas with your class about it and explain what is it all about. Okay, fine, great, very nice. So we have these weird guys in the class also, right? Who try to plan. I'm going to bring something, such dangerous thing. Everyone is going to get scared, and I'll be able to explain and all. So that's the part of the fun. Now, what are interesting things to me? Interesting things to me are snakes, lizards, cockroaches, spiders, bees, butterflies, insects. In the insects, I like the beetle the best. Then I like these night flies. They are very nice. They glow in the night, you know. So here there is a list in your book. It says a spider with 5 legs, a stone, a pet mouse, some seashells, a fossil, a strange insect that can bite. Now, what do you think would be the most interesting of these? Put them in your order. For you, A to B. Like if I see here spider with 5 legs, a stone, a pet mouse, some seashells, a fossil, I'll put a fossil first. It's quite interesting. It won't move. I have to just only know about it, understand about it. After that, I will put a stone. After that, I'll put some seashells. Then I will put a pet mouse. Mouses are good, but you have to be kept in a cage. Others they are going to eat up anything, tear anything, you know. Last couple of days ago, I had a rat in my room. I don't know from where it came, and I had to chase it out. It's dangerous. And then a strange insect that can bite. It's a total no. I don't like insects biting me. You know, I don't want to get sick. And spider with 5 legs. Spiders are also very dangerous. If they lick you, or if they that lava which comes out from their mouth, if it falls on your body, it can burn that place. In the sense, it becomes sore sometimes if there's infections. Some spiders are really very dangerous. So I'll read the first page today, page 57. After that, in the next class, I'll explain. And what we have to bring, and what have we to remember to bring tomorrow. Okay, class 4. It's written here class 4. But let's say class 5, or rather 4. And what have we to remember to bring tomorrow? Mrs. Cooper asked. At 3:30, his class is getting over. Malcolm sitting near the back. Malcolm is the boss. The back benches are the best. I like the back benches. Wondered why she said, we. She wasn't going to bring anything. She should have said, you. He's thinking, oh, we are supposed to bring. Is she also going to bring something? Okay, fine. He just said quiet. But it's generally when we talk about something, instead of using a pronoun, we use the word we. What are we going to bring tomorrow? Okay? So it's like that. Something interesting, Mrs. Cooper, said everyone else altogether, except Malcolm is sitting quietly. He's thinking, why did she say we? I love those weird guys in class. Rather, I like children with too many questions. Those who ask questions, I love them. The more you ask, the more you will learn. The more you will find. Instead of sitting quiet and just looking at me. Something interesting, Mrs. Cooper, said everyone else. all together. And what are we going to do then? Mrs. Cooper again asked. Stand up and talk about it, Mrs. Cooper. Okay. So don't forget, alright? Chairs on tables. Goodbye, class 4. Chairs on tables means after school gives over, you have to put your chairs on the tables. Arrange it properly. Goodbye, Mrs. Cooper. Goodbye, everybody. Finished. It all came out ever so slow, like saying prayers in assembly. Amen, said Malcolm very quietly. Everything is over. School was like a prayer for him. Everything is over. Now temple is closed. Okay, amen. Finished. Quietly he said that. Class 4 put its chairs on the tables, collected its coats and went home, talking about all the interesting things it would bring to school tomorrow. Now class 4 has totally arranged the classes. They have taken their coats from the hangers. It's a very, if you have coats, because it's very cold sometimes, and it must be a hilly area, or it's a foreign country, or somewhere the story is written about. And they were all talking about what they're going to bring tomorrow, how they're going to explain what is the most interesting thing they're going to bring with them. So this is the condition. But Malcolm is into his thoughts. He's thinking, now what I'm going to do. Let's see what I can do. We are going to have some fun. But we, why did Mrs. Cooper say we? She's not supposed to bring anything. Okay, so we'll keep it till there. We'll take it slow. Next class, I'll come back and read, and we'll go ahead with it. Okay, there is another two pages, and we'll do that next class. But I want you to learn that poem properly, so that you understand it and try to attempt the question answers. But in the next class, I'll try and explain you the answers also. Okay, so you try to attempt it yourself. Until then, take care, be good, and do whatever you want after your studies. Bye-bye. Oh yes, there will be exams also, right? Your online exams. So just prepare properly and go ahead. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Best of luck.